Okay, we're here with the chickens at Baby's Coffee. There's our truck. And we're gonna get it going. Heading for Key West, gonna leave the camera running. Yeah, I decided to just leave this run the whole way. It's on 1080 lineal, 24 frames. It's gonna take about 45 minutes. So that's the name of that tune. Started at Baby's Coffee. It's all good bike path from here to Key West. It's right by Blue Water Key. First bridge here is Saddle Bunch, number 2. Was have some issues with video stabilization. So I'm trying again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. As you can see, we're not the fastest bikes on the road, but these Wildfires cruise at about 12.5 miles an hour in pedal assist mode. This is Saddle Bunch number 3. Nice little stop-off area. We got our coffee, we got our snack, we got our 50% off at 2 entrees at the Raw Bar. We don't have our local cup yet. here's a nice stretch. What mile marker? Ooh, mile 14. 14 miles to go. Then my video will be over an hour. Do the math. 12.5 miles an hour, 14 miles. You think we'll see any iguanas? You think we'll see any iguanas? Probably. Okay. Hopefully I won't run any over, because that's been known to happen. And they're cruising right along. Bye. Howdy. Yeah, between mile 14 and 22, there's a lot of road riding, and I try to stay off the road. I'd rather be on a bike path. It's way more pleasant. Saddle bunch number 4. Somebody's got their bike locked here. One good thing, if you get tired, I think they allow you to put your bikes on the front of the buses now. Bad news is there's only like 2 spots, maybe 3 if you're lucky. They used to not allow them on the bus, but I think they finally got smart and started allowing them. Guess what this one is? Settle bunch number 5. Oh, and it's got a bench. It's a very nice bench. How we holding out?